Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. So this is just an educational video wherein I record my mindset and emotions during the trade and whatever iteration or revision which I make in my trading setups. So basically, I'm doing a market profile kind of analysis to take a trade. So once I started this journey to become a disciplined trader, um, I did almost 1 month of my convictions about the market setups as per the market profile was almost accurate. But my mindset is still in a struggling stage. I'm not able to stick on to my plans, and my emotions are riding all over while trading. So I'm not at a disciplined trader, but I get a good conviction of the market movements. This is not for the first time. I started my journey in 2007, wherein I took amount of 20,000 from my father and got into the trade, and I lost the entire capital within 2 weeks. And this has repeated all over from those times till date, till day before yesterday expiry also. I did the same mistake. So that indicates that my mindset is still not in a proper way. But last day trade, it gave a big eye opening to me, because previously whenever I lose, it was 2 or 3 times the loss which I made yesterday on the expiry day. So this time I was able to restrict it, and that too, since my direction of the market which I predicted was right. My stop loss was hit. Even though my stop loss was hit, it gave a good rally, and if I had held that trade, it would have given me around 1 lakh of profit. So that was a eye opener for me, because if we take a big loss, the amount of profit which we can get in a single trade is very huge. So I reiterated my trading setups and stop losses accordingly. I worked out on the weekend, and I made a detailed calculations and a setup how to go forward. So I had taken around 6 month data with all the values, and I came to a summary of how to go about it. So here you can see I'm trading with a capital of 1 lakh. So if we trade with one lot and with a value of a delta of 0.5, we can get a monthly profit of around 16,900 with this setup. And here you can see the maximum loss which we can occur is 6,800, and the maximum profit which we can gain is 10,100, and the average loss is 2,181, and the average profit is 3,655, and it is having a risk reward ratio of 2:3, and its probability of win rate is around 58 is the win rate. So I think it is somewhat good kind of a setup, wherein I can control my mindset as well, because I will be entering a trade at A period close, and I will be exiting the trade at M period close. So that won't have any impact on my mindset or emotions. So it will, like an automatic trade, it will go on. So I'll be trading with one lot, and I'll see the performance for 1 month, and I'll if any revision is required, I will do accordingly. So as per this setup, if we are trading with a capital of 1 lakh, you can see my account can blow out in 13 days if all the trade is in a loss, as well as all the trade is having maximum loss. And you can see the maximum percentage of capital eroded per trade is 6.8. So this is really huge, because many successful traders tell that the maximum capital which should be eroded in a single trade should be around 1 to 2%. So it should not be more than that. So this is somewhat a risky scenario if we consider I'm trading with a capital of 1 lakh. So I'll try to increase my capital so that it can be somewhat affordable or a somewhat practical type of a range. You can see in this the appreciation which we get to the capital is 200. That is very high, because only around 40 to 60 percentage is the rate which many of the successful traders has obtained. So we will have to consider improving the capital. So let us see how it changes. If we consider we do with a 3 lakh capital, you can see directly it is 60 percentage capital appreciation. That is somewhat a practical kind of a figure, and the maximum eroded capital is 200. That is also okay. And you can see if all the trade is in a loss, and that too in a maximum way, it will take around 42 days to erode my entire capital. So I think this is a, very good amount which I should consider, and that is a somewhat practical kind of an amount. And if we see, if we again increase the capital to 5 lakhs, you can see directly, as I told, that 40%, which is the best figure, or which is the most practical figure which we can get. And the maximum percentage of capital eroded for a trade is 1.4. So it won't have a big impact on our emotions. So I will try to make this type of a capital and do a trade like accordingly. And you can see it will take around 71 days. That is more than 2 months. So that is anyway, this can give a good kind of a trade. So maybe 5 lakhs deploying in trade, it won't be practical, but I'll do with 3 lakhs. That is somewhat okay with me. So I'm planning to take trades accordingly and reset my emotions. So I hope this video is useful to you. If at all you are all trying to be a trader, be disciplined. Don't allow our emotions to take our profits, and it should not take our confidence, because whenever we make a big loss, we'll be in a fear, and next time when we take a trade, that emotion used to come and hijack our trade. So anyway, good wishes. Best of luck.